The Sharp Induction Cooktop is a powerful, beautiful addition to your dream kitchen. The black mirror finish of the premium shot glass surface is a perfect match and can be combined with the Sharp Easy Wave open microwave drawer and Sharp European convection built-in single wall oven. The 4 cooking zones give you more flexibility to orchestrate even your most elaborate entertaining. The Induction Cooktop features an extra powerful 3700 watt variable size zone and power boost in all cooking zones. More precise than gas, more efficient than electric, the Sharp Induction Cooktop is faster than either. There is a kitchen timer and even a power boost for those times when you just need that pasta water to boil. The Simmer Enhancer option provides low, consistent cooking performance for your most delicate soups and sauces. Heat is generated directly into the cookware itself, so there is less wasted energy to heat up your kitchen. And without an open flame or radiant coils, spills and splatters are less likely to burn and a breeze to clean up. The 30-inch Induction Cooktop has advanced safety features. All of the cooktop controls can be locked down. Cookware must be present for a cooking zone to turn on, so you won't accidentally turn it on or leave it on after you remove the pan. Plus, all cooking zones count down and turn themselves off after 120 minutes, so kitchen mishaps are less likely. Powerful and efficient, fast and flexible, the beautiful Sharp 30-inch Induction Cooktop is certainly simply better living.
Welcome to your Gaggenau full-surface Induction Cooktop. The cooktop that boasts barrier-free cooking with one large cooking zone for unlimited creative space and free placement of up to 6 pans. It heats up in seconds and is safe to use with panel lock features and residual heat indicators. It requires the use of induction-compatible cookware, which comes in a range of materials such as enameled steel, cast iron, or induction-compatible cookware. The full Induction Cooktop has 3 different cooking modes. Professional cooking, which enables you to change the heat setting quickly and easily by moving the cookware laterally into preset zones. Dynamic cooking, which enables you to change the heat setting quickly and easily by moving the cookware forward or backward without the need to manually change the settings. And classic cooking, which allows you to select the power level for individual cooking vessels. Scroll your finger to select your power level. If you need to move the pan to a new location, the Induction Cooktop will register its settings for 30 seconds. Touch the cookware symbol on the new cooking position to confirm the transfer of settings. A timer can be set for each pot. Cooking can also be paused at any time, and the cooktop will remember your settings when you return. Teppanyaki mode can be enabled to distribute heat either to the top half, bottom half, or the entire surface of the large Gaggenau teppanyaki pan accessory. A cooking sensor can be used for precise temperature regulation. Pair the sensor and settings and then sync the sensor with the cooktop. Keep the kitchen at the heart of your home with Home Connect, where you can easily access its user manuals, adjust your appliance settings, and communicate with customer service. It also includes tips on cleaning and care, as well as a large selection of recipes. The Gaggenau Full Surface Induction Cooktop. The difference is Gaggenau.
The Jenn-air Induction Downdraft Cooktop blends our leadership in ventilation with powerful and efficient induction cooking elements. The cooktop is ideal for open-concept kitchens by offering clean lines and unobstructed views. Each induction element provides exceptional power and control, from performance boost for rapid boiling and searing, to a keep warm function for maintaining ultra-low temperatures. Flexible elements allow different sizes of cookware to be used on each element. And whether you're using 1, 2, or more pans, you'll appreciate the downdraft ventilation system that quietly whisks steam and, more importantly, smoke and odors out of the kitchen. And the blower motor is below ear level, so it's remarkably quiet. Plus, with our duct-free kit, you can enjoy this cooktop in areas where outside venting isn't possible. Clean design, paired with a new level of performance. The Jenn-air Induction Downdraft Cooktop.
Siemens presents the new gas cooktops with step flame technology for stepless creativity. High-end materials arranged in a flat design, combining beauty and functionality in every detail, from the pan supports to the newly designed control knobs. And for more precision, step flame technology. The groundbreaking innovation to precisely control the power of your cooktop. With 9 precise steps for cooking on a higher level. Whether you are cooking, stewing, roasting or frying, step flame technology allows you to prepare every meal exactly as you want. The dual wok burner offers many possibilities for perfect wok cooking. With its enlarged performance spectrum, you always get your desired results, from parboiling at the highest level, to cooking with a medium or small flame, to simmering on an even smaller flame. The new Siemens Gas Cooktops. Outstanding design and enhanced performance under your control with step flame technology. For a life less ordinary.
Introducing new gas downdraft cooktops from KitchenAid that allow you to express yourself in the kitchen beautifully. The elegant design integrates the ventilation system into the cooking surface, making a separate hood unnecessary for a clean, sophisticated look. Whether you choose 4 or 5 burners, the performance perfectly complements the beauty. So, cook with the power of a 17,000 BTU professional burner that makes searing and rapid boiling a snap. Or a 5,000 BTU even heat burner that can achieve the low output needed for simmering even the most delicate sauces without scorching. And because they don't require a hood, these cooktops can be placed virtually anywhere in the kitchen, unlocking a myriad of design possibilities. They don't even require ventilation outside when installed with the available duct-free kit. Whether ducted or duct-free, the 3-speed fan moves up to 300 cubic feet of air per minute to handle the venting requirements of high-temperature cooking like pan searing. KitchenAid Downdraft Cooktops are the perfect companions on your culinary journey. Beautifully combining power and performance and delivering results that are nothing short of delicious.
Thanks for watching. I hope you liked the video. If you found it helpful, please remember to leave a like and subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this in the next episode. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.